Hello, Bame Farm fans. Today, it's a wonderful day. Why is it a wonderful day? Because we're harvesting beans. And a grain truck fired right up with no problem. So we're going to run out to the field and get ready to catch beans from Dad. Yeehaw. Yeah. See if you guys can stay there for the ride. Got the truck in low axle. We're just going to creep out here to the field. Put this in a spot for easy access for Dad so he's not always coming back here to the driveway to unload. Yeah, let somebody keep that door shut. Yeah, beans are definitely dry. We got a good breeze. Keeps the dust moving, which is wonderful. We're starting with the double crop beans we have out here. There, let's see what's going on in that part of the world. Made a few passes, did the headlands. For double crop beans, they're doing pretty well. Setting Dad free. He's doing pretty good driving. His arm's doing better after the surgery, so that's good. I mean, most of the controls are right-handed, and it was his left hand that had the work done. He's doing maybe a little over 2 miles an hour. Yeah, I know that because we've got a radar. Oh yeah, look at that dust cloud behind. The wind is just blowing it away. We're gonna park somewhere right up here because it's just level. It'll be easy to get off the road. Could be really wild and pull into the field. Try to get this buggy stuck. We're not stuck yet. Oh yeah, we'll watch the combine come by. Hopefully nobody's coming down the road. They probably shouldn't be here anyways. Oh, look at that sunshine. This is a fine spot, right next to the pavement. It's fairly flat here. Yeah, you can watch the little flecks of dust come flying across life. Well, here comes combine to unload. Door shut, and now we gotta get the tarp unrolled. Which most likely, this front's not strapped, I need a hook. Somehow we managed to lose a hook there. Okay, we're free. Everybody fall down. Unhook, unhook, unhook. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Other than dropping you guys, we're open. Here comes the combine. Let's see if he figures out how to swing the auger out. He may not be used to this. It's so much nicer when it's not all muddy. It's a foot pedal. Right there. Yep, here it comes. I just gotta test some maneuvering skills. I love the dust in the air, right? So I got everything working good after the little repairs we did last year. Didn't have to do a whole lot to it this year. Hooked the head on, had to do a little straightening on one of the divider snouts out front because Nick managed to run it into some mud. But you can't tell that we had to fix this one, other than you can see where the metal got a little rip there. We look close at the weld. It's got to be time to dump those beans. Oh, he's nowhere close. He's not that close. He's going to be relying on a lot of fall. You want to be closer. I don't know. That's a really close shot. Yeah, we haven't really needed the four-wheel drive much. We had it on a little bit. I mean, we're leaving a tire track, obviously. What would you expect 20,000 pounds to do other than leave a tire track? Yeah, straight, straight, straight. All I gotta do is go straight. Yeah, right there. It'd be real hard to unload on the go if we had a wider head. If we're going like a 25 or even a 30 footer, it may not reach much. Okay, so trial by fire, we'll see if he finds the unload button. It's the other lever over here.
Now you turn this off.
We gotta turn the inside of the combine off.
Oh.
Which is the big lever. You gotta pull that back. I know this one's still got some mechanical things, so not every electrical problem will shut us down. Here comes the beans. There we go. Should have got that bird's nest out first. It all adds weight, right? Let's see how buried it gets over here. Woo! Yep, too late to get the bird's nest. It's buried. I might as well get this view. Got a Ford on the combine, Ford truck. The only thing Ford about the combine is the engine. 474 cubic inches with a turbocharger. Oh well, once we unload, we'll get back to the field. And hopefully I can set Dad free and he'll be good for a while. I'm gonna go out and try to pick some ear corn now too. Let's see how that goes. We gotta get back to that wheel that fell off.